In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an aesthetic Google form in just 5 minutes. We're going to walk through each step to create a form that not only functions well, but looks great too. Designing a visually appealing form is an excellent way to make your audience more engaged and excited about responding. Let's dive right in and explore how you can transform your Google form into an aesthetic masterpiece. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive. Open your browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the New button. This opens up a list of all the files you can create through Google. From this list, you'll want to select Google Forms. Now that you're in Google Forms, you'll be prompted to select between using a template or starting fresh with a blank form. For this tutorial, we'll choose blank form to have full creative control over the design and content from the ground up. Once your blank form is open, go ahead and give it a name. This can be anything related to the theme or purpose of your form. Naming your form helps keep your files organized and gives respondents a quick insight into what the form is about. Next, it's time to add your questions. Click on the highlighted question field to start typing your prompt, and remember, you can add as many questions as you need for your form's purpose. With the questions in place, we now move on to customization. You'll find the Customize Theme icon at the top of your Google form page. Click on it to open the theme options. This is where the real fun begins. Start with changing the font style. There are plenty of aesthetic fonts to choose from that will give your form a unique look and feel. Take your time to browse through the options and select one that best represents the style you're aiming for. Fonts can significantly impact the overall vibe of your form, so choose wisely. Once the font is set, let's move to the header. Click on Choose Image in the header section. Here, you can select or upload an aesthetic image to serve as the backdrop of your form. This image sets the tone and creates a visual context for your respondents. Don't forget to click Insert after selecting your image to add it to your form. Now you might want to adjust the background color. Choose a color that complements your header image and fonts, contributing to a cohesive aesthetic. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to preview your form. Click on the preview button to see how your form presents itself to your audience. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish it. And there you have it. You've just created an aesthetically pleasing Google form. By following these steps, you can make any form not only functional but also visually appealing, encouraging more people to engage with it. Happy form making, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.